YouTube has been making some changes to live streaming that might be affecting you. You've started your adventure. Now you have a story to tell. But how? This is your show, RV Media Creators. I'm Garrett, and in this community, we will show you how. So let's show the world your story. If you've been around YouTube for any amount of time, you know that YouTube is always trying to make their user experience and the experience for their creators better. But sometimes you run into issues where it just doesn't feel better. It feels like they kind of mess things up, and I wanted to kind of go over something that I think has recently kind of been like an update that YouTube has done regarding their live streaming services. Now, this doesn't necessarily affect those that can live stream off of their mobile phones, off of like Prism Live, or just off the YouTube app, but this does affect those that use streaming services like OBS. And I want to just go over kind of how you can get this set up properly for live streaming on OBS. You notice that we're here at the YouTube studios, and I'm going to go ahead and click on go live. Now it seems to not be working properly. I'm not too sure if this is just a temporary thing. Last week it was a little bit different, and it's been that way for a couple weeks. So, but this is normally when you go to the screen, it's just like, okay, go live, push the button and go live. It's pretty easy, pretty simple, pretty quick. However, when you're wanting to use streaming services like OBS and you have to have it all set up, you don't really want to do that. So I'm going to show you how to easily get to setting up your own live streaming event. So right here, you see manage. I'm going to click on manage, and we're going to say schedule stream. I'm going to hit create a new stream, and I'll give it a 4:30 time frame and test stream. Let's close that down, and I'll say create stream. Now it's going to give you your event here, and we're going to be using our streaming software. I'm going to hit OK. Now, while I was testing out for this video, it seems to think that I have two streams going, but I'm gonna just ignore that for now. Right here is where you get your stream key. You can reset the stream key, and then you can copy it. That is the key that you need to plug into your streaming program like OBS, and then you can always go back in here and edit your stream if you need to change something like a thumbnail or anything in the description. Save it, and yeah, that's pretty much it. It's not a very difficult thing to do, but because of the fact that they are changing a lot of their behind the scenes in the programming with the streaming services, it seems to have gotten a little bit glitchy. This is a very easy way for you to be able to use OBS software, because there's a bunch of benefits to using a service like OBS, where you can add videos and overlays and things like that to your streams and make it look very professional. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And remember, I'm Garrett, and I want to help you tell your story. Bye.